My name is Larry Crescenzi, currently in charge of sales here at Great Lakes Tile Products. I'm the original founder of Great Lakes Tile Products. So I founded Great Lakes Tile Products in the year 2000 after roughly 25 years in the ceramic tile business. And I figured it's time for me to get off my knees and decided to develop these products.
Our T-channel, unique to Great Lakes Tile Products, was first introduced to hide the edge of a cement board as well as the tile's edge for applications where cement board was put over the top of drywall applications. This is our L channel. This is the most popular profile of all the profiles available at Great Lakes Tile Products. This is our round edge profile. It's been used to replace the traditional bullnose tile. I'm Dave Ludicky, General Manager for Great Lakes Tile Products, a OneMonroe company. We've been in business for 23 years. It's been an exciting time with growth year after year, and we've expanded our product offering from our beginnings of about 30 SKUs to over 400 today. We value our customers and enjoy developing a relationship with them. It's a people business. People like to buy from people. Our success also is contributed to our staff. Our staff is fully knowledgeable of all the different attributes. We just really try to make sure that we're supporting our customers with the most expedient replies to their needs. One of the things that we're able to offer is same-day shipping. Our products are shipped coast to coast, border to border, and we're trying to figure out how does someone identify Great Lakes Tile Products on the West Coast as commonly as they do here in the Midwest.